This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Natalie Alvarez. Open house on June 25, 12 to 3 and 6/26, 1 to 4. Stunning Waterton model with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2-car garage available in highly sought after MiraLago of Parkland. This 4,176 square feet spacious home is an entertainer's dream, featuring a gourmet kitchen, formal dining room, and a great room with a custom built-in bar. The first floor highlights 24 by 24 porcelain tile throughout, a bedroom and full bathroom, stunning chandeliers and custom built-in wall units. This chef's kitchen features a gas stove, beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and opens up into the family room overlooking the lovely backyard with tons of natural light. Your tropical backyard retreat has everything you need for relaxation and fun, equipped with a heated pool, sun shelf, travertine tile, and iAquaLink control pumps, lights, waterfalls, and a built-in Sonos sound system. On the second level, the master suite showcases a large bedroom with custom wood bench, rustic wood beams and tray ceilings. Gorgeous master bathroom was recently renovated with custom design and features massive 16 feet by 5.5 feet marble shower, a separate Victoria soaking tub, wood plank tile, quartz countertops and beautiful finishes. The upstairs also includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a large loft. This one-of-a-kind house additionally has plantation shutters, all-impact windows and doors, a brand new natural gas whole home generator, Sonos built-in surround sound and 12 cameras throughout the entire house. Enjoy the resort-like MiraLago amenities featuring a lavish clubhouse, basketball court, tennis courts, pool, splash pad and more. Residents also have access to all of Cascata's amenities, including the indoor sport court. This home is a gem. For more information, review the details below.